Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. May Allah all night keep you are happy and keep homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Amin. So friends, today we'll share with you the very beautiful crochet stitch blouses designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. See very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to your people in the like today videos and share it with to you friends and family members. You can't many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys, so I keep will sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah, because to let in the comment box how will like and subscribe you want to videos related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers. Know how to the work yourself, and if you guys do, you can take a screenshot from my videos and it to someone else. You can make similar designs in the country and girls lovers. So viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel Crochet Lovers. All the designs. Thanks my dear. God bless you. Take care. Bye.